lovely people, and welcome back to this week's new video. I just received in the mail my new phone from UPS. I have it right here, and I am so excited to be doing an unboxing for you today. And I think in the next week or so I want to show you guys live footage from what I'm filming from my iPhone. So right now let's just get into the unboxing. We got my handy dandy box cutter here. Okay. All right, so I got the iPhone 11 Pro in gold. I wish they still had the rose gold, but I like the lighter colors, which is why I decided to stay away from the midnight green and the black color. I'm not quite sure how I feel about the look of the camera yet from what I've seen in photos, but I did want to get the iPhone with the newest cameras. I am upgrading from the iPhone 7. I have this in the rose gold and 32 gigabytes. My case is from Casetify. It's very beautiful. I will show you the cases that I got for my new phone as well. So it felt like a good upgrade. iPhone 7 was the very last phone that you could get the upgrade with, and I figured I didn't do it with the iPhone 10, so why not get the new iPhone Pro? So I'm opening it up. This is her in all her glory. I'm loving this matte finish. I've heard that the iPhone 10 was quite slippery, so I'm really liking that this makes it less slippery. It's very shiny, and to my surprise, actually, I guess it would have made no difference if I got the phone in black, because the front is completely black, even though I did get the rose gold. Unlike, see, the iPhone 7, the back is rose gold, but the front is white. I don't know if I want to peel off the thing here, but I just really like that the back, it's frosted and matte, but also there's the raised glass part here for the camera, and then the sides are this sleek and shiny, and it's not like the matte, and I'm liking the different textures actually. What I was most excited for the cameras is that they have a telephoto, wide angle, and ultra wide camera lenses. I can't wait to see how those turn out and how they look when I actually put this baby to use. So looking further into this box, they have the usual, I guess, the user manual, warranty, and their Apple stickers, ear pods, and of course the USB-C, apparently faster charger here. So I'm gonna plug this baby in. Now getting into the cases that I got. As I said, I've been getting my cases at Casetify, and I've actually bought one for my boss that she really liked. I got my mom a new phone case, and I myself got 2 new cases. So my current case for my iPhone 7 is this beautiful sunflower painting, or sunflowers painting, and I absolutely love sunflowers. They're my favorite flower, but I didn't want to get sunflowers again for a new phone. I wanted a fresh start, and I was able to narrow it down to 2. I know 2 is a lot, but Casetify, you can really have a phone for any occasion because they have endless options for phone cases. You can use my discount code down below. So of course I have a tempered glass screen protector, and then my 2 cases are one, if I can get this box open, is they include this little card that says thanks a million. It's really cute. I got this cherry blossom pink case, which also, if you don't know, this sort of light pink is my favorite color. And my other one is a bit more busy, but it's this beautiful, I think, watercolor painting of Venetian canals. It is so beautiful, and I definitely couldn't pass up the chance to get this case. So the great thing about Casetify is that you can choose the different type of case you want. They have wallet options, they have regular snap-on, grip cases, impact, and then something like a super impact or something that's like way better than the impact, I think. They're all different prices as well. For the cherry blossoms, the Sakura case, I believe I just got a grip case. And for the Venetian one, I'm pretty sure this is a grip, so you can tell when you look at it side to side that they're different, that you could tell that the impact one has a bit of texture thing so that it can take on any sort of damage or basically impact. I've said that so many times. I've had this phone for almost a week now, and I've compiled a bit of photos and videos for this video that I hope you find useful and enjoyed watching to get to know the iPhone 11 Pro a little bit more. I'm currently filming on the front-facing camera. The lighting is not great, but if you enjoyed and did find this helpful, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoyed and you liked it here, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!